As parents, we always want to protect our kids online, but many monitoring apps require installation, which isn't always practical. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple methods you can use to monitor your child's phone without installing any extra apps. But before we begin, here's a disclaimer. Use the methods shown in this video only to monitor your minor children and only after discussing it with them. Do not use these techniques to invade anyone's privacy. Unauthorized monitoring is unethical and often illegal. Always respect privacy and follow local laws and guidelines. Now let's start with the first method, call forwarding. This allows you to redirect your child's incoming calls to your phone. It is helpful if you doubt your kid is being bullied or scammed over a phone call. Here's how you can redirect calls. Open the phone app on your child's device. Go to the call settings and find the call forwarding option. Choose when you would like calls to forward always, when busy, unanswered, or unreachable. Enter your own phone number. Finally, activate call forwarding and test it with a quick call. This way, you will be notified of their calls directly, with no extra software involved. Now, what if you want to know your child's location? That's where GeoFinder.mobi comes in. It is a web-based service that works through a simple SMS link. Open your browser and visit GeoFinder.mobi or use the link in the description or comment. Upload an image because it will send the tracking link embedded inside the image to avoid suspicion. Enter your child's phone number including country code. An SMS will be sent to the entered phone number from a system-generated number. You can also share the link directly through WhatsApp or any other social media or text message. When your child clicks the link, their phone's location is instantly shared. You can then view the real-time location on your GeoFinder dashboard. This gives you peace of mind by showing there is no app installation required. I have done a detailed review of GeoFinder. Feel free to check it out using the I button. You can also avail a $1 trial for 1 day using the link provided in the description. And finally, the safest long-term method. Use the built-in parental controls that Apple and Google already provide. On iPhone, open Settings, tap your name, and set up family sharing. Add your child's Apple ID. Go to Screen Time, select your child's profile, and set time limits or restrictions. On Android, download and open Google Family link on your phone. Link your child's Google account. Approve supervision and manage their apps, screen time, and even location, all from your own phone. These tools are free, official, and designed for families, making them one of the best monitoring options available without installing any software on your child's device. So there you have it, 3 easy ways to monitor your child's phone without installing any extra apps: call forwarding, GeoFinder, and built-in parental controls. Try the method that best fits your family and stay informed while keeping your kids safe.